you very much, Margie, for your introduction. Glad to share with you guys about what I'm building. And yeah, it's my pleasure to speak here with friends from Scotland. And first, I'd like to make a short introduction about myself. I'm Steve, founder of Sortes. I have been in crypto space since 2017. I have been in two public chain company, which are NAM and Waves. I have my own enthusiastic about building the application, decentralized application on chain. So, me and our team, we value uh, the spirit of blockchain and the spirit of Bitcoin, which is the trustless banking system where people have everything built on blockchain and don't have to trust a centralized government to own your account. That's why we built the product we call Sortes, which is the fully on-chain and trustless social welfare lottery, where people can own their choice about how to use the money gathered from the social welfare lottery to make public impact, to make a social impact, and to do some public good. So I'm going to just show you how we do it a little bit from uh, the app that we built. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So right now, what you are looking at is a play page for the lottery. We call it Play for Good. It works pretty much simple. You can use some $1, $5, or you can use some vouchers to play a lottery draw where you can get some Bitcoin. Those prizes are paid out in Bitcoin. The maximum award you can earn is zero point 0.1 Bitcoin at the moment because our prize pool is 1 Bitcoin total. So it's 10% of the Bitcoin pool. And also you can become the shareholder of the lottery company, which is like you can deposit in some wrapped Bitcoin into this liquidity pool. This thing works similar with Uniswap or GMX model, where everyone can deposit some wrapped Bitcoin to get an LP token, and you can withdraw it at any time if you want. So we can see here if I withdraw 0.01 the LP BTC token, CHA BTC token, I can get roughly 5% in profit already, which means the LP token is the price is going up as people play it because the lottery itself is a beneficial is a mo model where you can make a profit out of it. So this LP token pool is where we generate so-called liquidity for people to play against. And this works as the capital for the lottery company. Here, I'm going to show you how it works. I select this voucher, which is a $10 voucher. We give this for people to try the platform for free. I click draw with the voucher. I need to sign the transaction. And next thing happens is that we call Chainlink VRF, which is the on-chain verifiable randomness function. It will produce a randomness number gives back to Sortis protocol so that we will be able to get a fully on-chain randomness number to determine how much Bitcoin we can win or we cannot win. So as you can see here, well, we are super luck, right? We just spent $10 to get $50. So it's like five times in instant link. We get uh roughly 55,000 in Satoshi. And you can see it right here. I have 54,000 Bitcoin uh Satoshi, like 0.0005. This is roughly $50. I will deposit it back to the Bitcoin pool. So I can become an LP of this protocol as well. So during this process, which is there's something where this must be network issue. there's something very interesting here. As you can see, we are gathering a charity fund out of this uh progress where people play the lottery. We have already gathered 2,000 in US dollar charity fund, and we make two donation already. The first one is to Save the Children Foundation. Here you can see the transaction hash, and you can see the donation proof provided by Save the Children Foundation. And the other donation we made is to World Central Kitchen, and they also give us a donation and on-chain verifiable hash for the donation transaction. So this how does this Trustless social welfare system works is that first we let people play the lottery for fun or play the lottery to earn some Bitcoin. And during this process, we gather some charity funds and then we let people decide how to donate this charity fund. So these two first donations, we only ask for the community to vote on Twitter. It's not like a fully on-chain method. As you can see in my screen here, we post Twitter asking for the community's feedback about how they want to donate those charity money. And we make some calculation and statics, find out that the most popular donation directions are humanitarian aid, about 22%. That's why we select the donation to uh, the World Central Kitchen, which they provide food for frontier people who suffer in the war from the front line, to support their mission to the front lines, providing meals in response to humanitarian, climate, and community crisis. So this is the typically what we do right now, but things are getting more exciting in the future. Is that this product I'm showing you is what we are developing right now. So as you can see in this Figma page, we will soon in 3 months, we will allow everyone to create a donation recipient and create a donation proposal on chain. And people can use uh, the points they get to vote against these proposals to make those proposals become real, which means everybody have the capability to register as a donation recipient, either an organization or individual. So let's say if I have registered a organization called Save the Children Foundation, the platform will be able to verify it, so it will get a blue label or blue mark here. If not, it will not be verified and there's no blue mark here. So if people see this blue mark, they will understand that this organization or individual is verified to be real. And otherwise, if we cannot verify it, we will not give blue label. But if the community want to vote to this certain organization or people, it's permissionless. So everybody can make a proposal or register to become the donation receipt. So you can see here, this is a voting page. It will be like, so people will choose whichever directions they want to vote and to make public good. So this is a fully on-chain trusted method that we are going to deploy in July for our platform. So basically, here is how everything works, the simple uh, demonstration for how it works. And behind this, what we are building is that we are doing integration with many wallets and many applications. So imagine whenever you use a Binance wallet or OKX wallet or Coinbase wallet, you can play this lottery in that wallet, and you will be able to earn some real Bitcoin. Or if you lose, you will get some points. These points will be used for governance voting for how to make public good. And during this voting, after you make the public good, we will be able to reward people with some protocol token. This protocol token we call good, which means public good. So our token ticker would be good in the future when the protocol token is launched. So basically, lottery globally has been existing for over 50 years. It's a very traditional and old industry with many untransparent and not quite in many countries, not as transparent as in the England or Scotland. You are doing quite well in your national lottery, the national community lottery fund, but for many other countries, it's not like that transparent. So here, what we are doing is that uh, it's $300 billion market with 1.5 billion users every year. And in many countries, it's not transparent. In where I come from, it's like the government takes the money collected from those so-called social welfare lottery and puts them in their own pocket. People never know how those uh billions of dollars are spent to make people's life better or to build more infrastructure. But here, by employing everything on blockchain, we can uh verifiably see how the money collected from the charity fund is used. And the most important part is that people got to decide how to use it instead of the several a handful of people in the government controlling billions of dollars, and that will 100% lead to corruption and transparency. So this is what we are dream of building that fully on-chain trusted social welfare system, and I hope uh in maybe 1 year time, maybe this time next year, we will be able to reach 1 million on-chain users, and we will be able to make over 100 donations to different organizations and people. We will be able to show the world how this trusted on-chain system will change people's life and will make uh, social good impact and make a better world. So this is what we are building and what I'm sharing with you guys today. And yeah, that's so much about it. If you have any questions, maybe we can talk about it. Yeah.
Thank you. That's fascinating. So tell us, so what's the process if someone wants to go on chain and do like formal verification of the fairness of the lottery? So like, so can you like go through what's the process? Like, do they just go, because is this like open source, so they can go and see those open source, the code and the on chain, and they can see from that infer that is the fairness. So it's like, and also you have some like, you have like a formal model, I know, that where you formalize this, like what fairness means here.
So basically in our platform, you can check on the white paper. It will introduce a decentralized social welfare system, how it works, those functions and those calculation methods, and how we set up the price pool or the payout ratio, and how the function is set up, like the deposit function, exchange function, register swap, list swap. So everything is in the white paper. And if you are a coder, you want to verify the transparency of this code, you can go to the homepage and click GitHub, and you can go to our code base to look at those contracts, and you can deploy those contracts by yourself if you want to try it out. So everything is open source. And we do have some documents here for people to understand better about what Sortes is and what our tokenomics will be like. And as for token allocation and token to points conversion, so also about donation part and donation history you can see here. So everything is on our website. If you want to verify it, it's totally open source. And about the donation part, uh, it's I can say it's fully on chain. So if you want to click to the donation history, it will just under the charity page, and you can verify this transaction on chain or this donation proof. So yeah, I hope that answered your question.
That's fascinating because like this make all like well, real world lottery seems to be like so old fashioned, like so opaque in comparison with this like extreme radical transparency that you have there. So that's why I told this is so fascinating. So I'm just curious, like this profit of the lottery, like how do you visualize the yield of the lottery? And if someone says, okay, I just want to like buy like a stake in the lottery and like and what yield can someone expect? Like how can someone visualize this?
Okay, so uh, either you can choose to play the lottery or you can become the lottery company owner. Let's say maybe the the pool owner. The pool owner will, sometimes gain some profit and sometimes lose. As you can see here, the LP token price dropped a lot, which means the price pool just lose. And why is it? Because I just win $50 out of it. So if you deposit some raw Bitcoin into this price pool, you will be the counterparty of the people who play the lottery. And the pool sometimes actually lose money, but in the long run, it will gain money over the long time because lottery itself is in favor of the pool, the possibility. But if you play this as an individual, you are facing a very transparent uh, possibility table, we call it. And this is not like something you need to select the numbers or you need to do something. You just click and it's pure math. It's pure mathematics. The randomness provider is Chainlink VRF, and just in one click, we can ensure the transparency in this reward getting system. So basically, all these things are very fundamental. And if you want to build something on top of it, let's say a DeFi game or a GameFi or something in the metaverse, lottery machine where you can play lottery, you can also build on top of this protocol. We do have something we call lottery as a service, where we provide a dynamic price table and people can customize, create distributor pool and share it with your friends and families. So these are all possibility tables that you can select, and you can customize your own possibility table. So this so-called lottery as service, where actually we can provide this different possibility table to all different people, and they will be able to build amazing things on top of it.
That's fascinating. Thank you. Any questions, anyone?
So you can do both in the game and also money.
You can, yeah, you can
You do it at the same time.
Exactly.
Yeah. Oh. Fascinating. Any currencies.
So actually, so all those different like pools, is it like a pool that contains all of them together, basically? So someone just want to get like the average yield if you have like 1 million different pools. So then they buy your token, is that how it works?
Actually, we do have one pool, which is a large pool. People concentrate all the liquidity together. But the so-called distributor pool is not a pool. I prefer to call it a set of rules. It's like the company capital concentrate in one price pool, but you can set different uh, rules for how to build your own lottery or customize your own lottery, but there's only one pool.
Okay, excellent. Okay, excellent. That's amazing. Thank you so much for doing this. This was really, really fascinating. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Bye. Bye. Bye.